Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is homeschooling conversation.
Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hi, George. I haven't seen you in ages. I know, but we did bump in finally, you see. True that. Never expected I'd find you away from home, at this place. By the way, have you dropped out of school? No way, I'm being homeschooled. Oh, you must be the only one in our class, aren't you? Quite possible, but I'm not sure. What made you take this decision? I got lucky. A music label approached me and asked me if I'd be ready to join them. I'm glad I agreed. Whoa, this is great news. I'm happy for you. When did this happen? Somewhere in the middle of the year. I see. And maybe homeschooling is letting you balance both academics and your passion. You got that right. However, it wasn't an easy transition. Would you like to share your experience? Sure. Initially, it was just impossible to study at home. I mean, I always kept getting distracted. How did you reach out a solution to it? I'm curious to know. Probably with time I was able to adapt to the new way of living. You're great, George! Way to go, boy! When are you performing your first gig? At the end of this academic year, we're gonna tour 3 countries. That will surely make you famous. Don't ever forget me in the process. Of course not. I'll reach out when I'm back. That'll be quite rare now. You have taken the plunge, my friend. Well, that's true. But I get this feeling that you're up to something too. Yes, you guessed it right. I have started getting really busy with my YouTube channel, and the school takes up a lot of time. I see. You must figure a way out of it. Exactly what I was gonna say. Should I homeschool too? If you are thinking to make your career as a YouTuber, then I guess homeschooling should be the best option. What happens to my parents? Will they allow me? You need to consult your parents and take them into confidence. That makes sense. Thanks, man. I'll let you know if this goes well. I'm sure it will, don't worry. Thanks, mate.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.